Maddie and welcome back to Maddie Makes. Happy Halloween! This is the last Halloween episode as it is Halloween today. As you can see, I have dressed for the occasion, some little fang moments, and yes, these are fake nails glued to my gums with denture glue.
What the fuck is going on in here on this day?
This episode, I'm really excited because I get to show off one of my favorite hobbies, which is making really fun earrings.
Wow.
So this week I'm making some Halloween themed earrings. I think they turned out really cool. Okay, the best one, I'm gonna spoil it right now, but the best one I made is this.
Depressed? I'm the furthest thing from depressed. I mean, look at what I've accomplished. Do you see him? Do you think a depressed person could make this?
The amount of joy that this tiny frog brings me is crazy. Hope you enjoy. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the process. Hope you learn something cool. And if not, hope you have a good time while watching. Peace out. Bye.
The first earrings I'm carving here are a pair of eyes. So I'm using a bead as the actual center of the eye and then just carving the eyelid area with some tools and some polymer clay. And now I'm just putting the hardware in so I can actually hang it from an earring.
This bitch disgusting.
The next pair I'm sculpting here is the small frog. So I'm sculpting the legs to add to the body. And again, just adding some hardware through the center of the frog so I can hang it from an earring. Now onto the Frankenstein piece. So I made a oval out of green clay and then I added the thick brow that he has. And now I'm hollowing out a space for his eyes just beside his nose with this detailing tool. I got a pack of 3 from Michael's and I know it was overpriced because it was like $20, but I wanted the mini detailing tool so bad, like so bad. But anyways, I'm adding ears, they looked really cute. And then I'm now adding hair strand by strand and I'm just gonna blend it into the head. In conclusion, I am Michael's bitch. If they ever sponsored me, I think that'd be my ultimate career goal. Anyways, yeah, just adding the final detailing and the hardware, again, to actually hang it from an earring. Bit of a change of pace for this next one. It's just a pair of wire wrapped earrings instead of clay. I thought it'd be cool to show like a different method. It was a lot of the same thing, so I cut a lot of this out. It's just basically you wrap it a bunch, just like this. And then here I'm adding those 3 prongs I showed, or I'm gonna show at the end, just so it looks like they're actually holding like the crystal ball in place.
Okay, hi, hello, how's it going? It's the day before Halloween. I'm feeling very festive. All my decorations. Oh my god, I love them so much.
Shut up, just shut up, shut up, shut up, just shut up, shut up.
Anyways, circling back, I just pulled out the first batch of earrings from the oven. I'm feeling kind of meh about it. I'm not feeling like really inspired, except by this one, because this little thing, I wanted it to look like a witch's glass and like a crow's foot like grabbing it, like a talon, and it looks so sick. I got this bead that like changes color like that. These ones don't look very good yet because again, they're not painted, but they're like little Beetlejuice snakes and they're gonna have like the mouth open like, you know. Okay, so I actually forgot to film me making the sandworm earrings, but like out of clay, but it's really simple. I just like rolled a noodle and then sculpted like the mouthpiece just by cutting it and like opening it. So yeah, sorry, forgot to film.
Whoa, sandworms. You hate them, right? I hate them myself.
I used to use glitter Mod Podge as glaze for all my earrings, which looked really great, but actually Mod Podge is water soluble, which I figured out after I'd only painted all of my earrings with it. So the humidity in the atmosphere makes it sticky, But this new stuff I got, it's called like triple thick with like 4C's glaze. Turns out really great, and it's not sticky at all, which is awesome.
And make it if we try. This is the cutest thing I've ever made.
Oh my god! Oh jeez, oh my god!
After I glazed all the pieces, I also added all the earring hardware. So just using jump rings to attach them to the actual stuff that goes into your ears.
Now my ears hurt. Anyways,